Honorable Chief Minister of Andhra Pradesh, Sri Y.S. As you all are well aware of the fact that on behalf of our Chief Minister and Madam Chief Minister, most beloved and His Excellency, the Governor of Andhra Pradesh and Telangana, on behalf of the entire state, government and all the Minister of Andhra Pradesh is according farewell to our respected Governor of Andhra Pradesh and Telangana. Millions of Andhra people and all the officials, the entire council of ministers, the entire government, Honorable Chief Minister is felicitating the bouquet, and Honorable Chief Minister and Madam Chief Minister with Lord Venkateshwara.
Madam.
This and prosperity to His Excellency, the Governor and Lady Governor. Now is felicitating Lady Governor in a manner that we and the couple never forget. The Andhra Day, as a mark of sweetness, the Honorable His Excellency shared with the permission of Honorable Chief Minister, Chief Secretary Garu, also to felicitate Lord Narasimha. We never forget the years of administration and the leadership His Excellency has provided. Lord Lakshmi Narasimha is being presented to His Excellency and Lady Governor. On behalf of his entire team, we want to wish good luck to His Excellency and Lady. I take the now our Deputy Lady Governor. Chief Conservator of Forest also to felicitate Lady Governor. Now the ministers, honorable ministers also want to felicitate. They are also here. They had under the leadership of His Excellency. Now, alongside the ministers and anyone who want to felicitate, come up. And after this, the dinner follows. Deputy Chairman Garu. On behalf of the IAS Officers Association also, I call upon Sri Sisodia Garu, the Principal Secretary, GAD. Sir. Sri and Sri Dhananjay Reddy Garu. So, Mukesh Kumar Meena sir, Murali sir, So this is the occasion organized by to recall all the memories we people shared with His Excellency. Garu, I request His Excellency to listen. Surely it's a privilege and honor for all of us. Thank you, sir.
And this wonderful get-up and the love and affection that you have showered on us.
And thank you very much for organizing this wonderful. There has been a great connectivity. ఒక పెద్ద సంబంధం నాకు ఈ రాష్ట్రానికి ఆంధ్రప్రదేశ్. అది ఎట్లా అంటే నా అక్షరాభ్యాసం ఈ విజయంలో అప్పుడు మేము నివాసం చేసింది చోట పేరు గవర్నర్పేట్. నాకు అప్పుడు జ్ఞాపకం లేదు, నాకు తెలియదు. తర్వాత ఐపీఎస్ ఉద్యోగంలో వచ్చిన తర్వాత ట్రైనింగ్ చేసిందేమో అనంతపూర్లో, నాకు పునర్జన్మం ఇచ్చిందేమో నంద్యాల. నా ప్రమోషన్ అంతా అయితే ఫస్ట్ డిస్ట్రిక్ట్ తీసుకున్నది ప్రకాశం డిస్ట్రిక్ట్. నా తల్లిదండ్రులు నాకు పేరు పెట్టిందంటూ అహోబలం నరసింహన్. సో అట్లాంటి ఒక వెరీ స్ట్రేంజ్ కనెక్షన్ బిట్వీన్ ఆంధ్రప్రదేశ్ అండ్ మీ హెస్ డెవలప్డ్ అండ్ ఐ బికేమ్ ద గవర్నర్ ఆఫ్ ఆంధ్రప్రదేశ్ అండ్ దిస్ ఇస్ ద ఫస్ట్ ఫంక్షన్ విచ్ ఇస్ బీయింగ్ హెల్డ్ టు సే గుడ్ బై టు మీ ఫ్రమ్ పార్ట్ ఆఫ్ మై responsibility, and now I do not know whether I should set my role as Nar or Simha. That is my biggest problem now. Well, as far as Mr. Jagan Mohan Reddy is concerned, you know, they say any name which starts with the alphabet J reminds one of being a delightful person, a very lovable person. And the word Mohan again is lovable and delightful. And Jagan Mohan can be called Jagat Mohan, which is loved by the whole world, or Jagan Mohan, loved by the people all over. While saying this, actually, నేను పదవి ప్రమాణం చేసేటప్పుడు నాకు ఒక గుర్తొచ్చింది. త్యాగరాజ స్వామి ఒక పాట పాడారు. నన్ను పాలింపు నడిసి వచ్చావా ఓ రామ అని. అంటే నడిచి వచ్చావా ఓ రామ, నన్ను పరిపాలన. అప్పుడు నాకేం గుర్తొచ్చిందంటే ఈ రాష్ట్ర ప్రజలు ఏమో చెప్తున్నారు, మమ్మల్ని పరిపాలనకి నడిచి వచ్చావా ఓ జగన్ అని చెప్తున్నాను. నాకు పాల్పడుతుంది నడిచి వచ్చే ముఖ్యమంత్రి ఆయన ఒక జగన్ అంతే. అప్పుడే ఆ త్యాగరాజ స్వామి పాట నాకు జ్ఞాపకం వచ్చింది. మిస్టర్ జగన్, లైక్ ఇన్ ఎనీ T20 మ్యాచ్, ద ఫస్ట్ 10 overs are critical because that's a power play where there are only 4 fielders on the outfield and the rest of them are in the inner field. But the maximum number of runs will have to be scored in the first 10 overs by the opening batsman. And I must say, as an opening batsman, as a captain of the team, what I have seen of you in the last 34 days has been nothing but magnificent. I think every ball you have been hitting to the boundary or to the six. And all that I would like to say that in any other T20 match, after the first 10 overs of 20 overs, you consolidate. The middle overs you consolidate. And again towards the slog overs you start hitting. So I suppose you will also follow the same tradition. Now you started hitting, then comes consolidation, and towards the end, that is end of 5 years, you start hitting again, and that's the slog over, and that's the cricket which I hope you will play. And as a captain, I want you to remain not out completely, and you must lead the team with a not out with a century and many more centuries. And Bharatiya Mante, again, it is one who sort of gives energy to everybody, and that is what Bharatiya is. And that energy is what I think Jagan is deriving from Mrs. Bharati, and that's what makes this couple a very special couple, I must say. I have said in parliamentary democracy, as Mr. Pranab Mukherjee put it, the most important thing is debate, discussion, dissent, and decision. And what I have seen, at least on the TV over the last few weeks, of your debate, of your proceedings in the assembly, I find that you are following that procedure very well. And I only wish and pray that you should continue to follow the same procedure of debate, discussion, dissent, and decision. Because you have a long way to go. You have inherited a very new empire, and this is at the very the foundation. The stronger the foundation, the better the growth is, the stronger the growth is. You have a team which is an excellent team, and with this team, I think you can do nothing but excellent work, and I'm sure you will create history in the annals of Andhra Pradesh. On this occasion, I would also like to thank many of the ministers, all the ministers who are present here, some of whom I have known earlier also. I have worked with them also, and I would like to thank them all for all the cooperation and help that they have given me over the years. As far as the all India service officers are concerned, both the IAS, the IPS and the Forest Service, I want to give a special word of thanks to you people. You are the people who will have to hold the state together. You have a great responsibility on your shoulders, and I know your performance, particularly the team led by the Chief Secretary Mr. L.V. Subramaniam or the police led by Gautam Sawang. I'm sure they will perform very well. And I must say, for example, your advisor Ajay Kallam, who was with me during the President's rule, he did miracles when he was one of my advisors, one of my helpers during the President's rule. And so was P.V. Ramesh, whom I have known from the past. And so is Dhananjay Reddy, whom I have known when he was in Srikakulam. So you have a team which is an absolutely excellent team. You have Thirumal Rao, the Commissioner of Police. I mean, your team is absolutely fabulous. And I think with this team, you can not but succeed. And I do hope and pray that you will continue to succeed. Your governor will be taking over day after tomorrow, after which I will remain governor of Telangana. కానీ ఒక్క మాట ఏం చెప్తానంటే, ఈ నరసింహ అవతారం అనే ఒక అవతారం వచ్చి పని చేసి వెళ్ళిపోయిన అవతారం. ఇట్ ఇస్ నాట్ అన్ అవతారం లైక్ రామ అవతారం or something which stayed on for 10 years, 14 years, sending his wife to jungle, or he is going to jungle and all this thing. Narasimha Avataram just came out the pillar, finished the job and went away. But this Narasimha Avataram unfortunately has stayed on a little too longer than the Avataram meant. And as a result, though I will no longer be governor of Andhra Pradesh, Jagan Garu, I want to tell you that Narasimha will continue to guide this state. You have Ahobilam in Ahobilam, which will take care of your Rayalaseema. The Navanarsimhas of Ahobilam will take care of your Rayalaseema. The Simhachalam Narasimha will take off your northern part of it, and your Mangalagiri Narasimha will take care of this part of it. So wherever you go, ultimately this Narasimha, I think, is an inevitable part of it. In fact, when Mr. Jagan had gone on visiting the holy places before he took office, he had gone to Tirupati, thereafter he went to Kadapa, he went to a mosque, he went to a church, he went to pay respect to his late father, and came to Kanakadurga. And that day I was also in Vijayawada. I told Jagan, your pilgrimage is not yet complete. You missed out the most important deity, Narasimha, and I have just gone to Mangalagiri and come back praying to him also. I said, I completed this journey for you. So I will continue, definitely. I would love to be associated with this state. The success of the state will be my success, because I have been your governor and I will feel very proud. And again, I would also like to wish the people of Andhra Pradesh for all the love and affection that they have showered on me and Vimla over the last 9.5 years. We have now been here for 9.5 years, and I must particularly thank the people of Andhra Pradesh through you today for the great love and affection that they showered on us. And I'm sure I would like to sort of on this occasion seek your pardon. Sometimes తెలిసో తెలియకుండానో తప్పులు చేశాను, చాలా చేశాను. కొన్ని సమయంలో తెలిసి చేశాను, కొన్ని సమయంలో తెలియకుండా చేశాను. దాని అన్నిటికీ క్షమాపణ నేను ఈరోజు మిమ్మల్ని అందరినీ అడుగుతున్నాను. I would also like to request Jagan to please excuse me. Sometimes probably even over the last 34 days of our discussions, I must have crossed our limits, but I think I took the liberty because Jagan, you are as old as my son. And I thought I will take the liberty of saying this, nothing but only for mutual benefit, for the benefit of the state. And you are one who is development oriented, who is going to provide a corruption-free administration. And may your governance live long, may it take history. That is my prayer. And wish you all very well once again, and many, many thanks for giving me and Vimla this excellent opportunity this evening. May God bless you all. Thank you very much.
On behalf of Honorable Chief Minister, Sri Y.S. Jagan Mohan Reddy Garu and the Madam Chief Minister, we thank His Excellency and Lady Governor for having come all the way for giving these words of wisdom, words of encouragement. I request all the dignitaries on the dais to join the table and the entire August gathering here to have the dinner. And much before to that, I request our Honorable Chief Minister to address us.
గవర్నర్ గారిని ఈ రకంగా సాగనంపవలసి వచ్చిన పరిస్థితుల్లో ఒకవైపున మనసులో బాధ ఉంది, మరోవైపున ఆయన ఎక్కడికి పోవడం లేదు, పక్కనే ఉన్నాడు అన్న ఆనందము ఉంది. గవర్నర్ గారుతో నాకున్న అనుభూతి గత 10 సంవత్సరాలుగా నాకు బాగా పరిచయంగా ఉన్న వ్యక్తి. ఎప్పుడు నాన్నగారి స్థానం నుంచే ఒక పెద్ద ఆయనగా ఇంచుమించు నాన్న పాత్రే పోషిస్తూ సలహాలు ఇచ్చేవాడు. ఇప్పుడైతే ముఖ్యమంత్రి అయిన తర్వాత పూర్తిగా నా చెయ్యి పట్టుకుని నన్ను దగ్గరుండి నడిపించే కార్యక్రమం కూడా చేశారు. ఇంకా మన గవర్నర్గా కొనసాగి ఉండింటే నా చెయ్యి పట్టుకుని బహుశా ఈ 5 సంవత్సరాల పాటు నడిపించే ఒక మంచి అవకాశాన్ని మనం కోల్పోయాము అని చెప్పి మనసులో కొంచెం బాధ అనిపించినా కూడా నిండు మనసుతో ఆయన ఆశీస్సులు మనకు ఎప్పుడూ ఉంటాయని, ఆయనకు కూడా ఎక్కడ ఉన్నా కూడా ఆంధ్ర రాష్ట్ర ప్రజల తరపున మా అందరి తరపున ఆయనను ఎప్పుడూ మేము గుర్తుంచుకుంటామని, ఆయనను ఎప్పుడూ అదే పెద్ద ఆయన స్థానంలో ఆయన ఎప్పుడూ కూడా జ్ఞాపకం చేసుకుంటామని చెప్పి మరొకసారి తెలియజేస్తూ మాకు తనతో గడపడానికి ఇచ్చిన అవకాశానికి కృతజ్ఞతలు కూడా తెలుపుకుంటూ సెలవు తీసుకుంటా ఉన్నాను.
Thank you, sir. So again, thanking his honor and all the dignitaries who came here for this farewell party. Now I request all the dignitaries on the dais to join the
System, sir.